Dear student, welcome back to our NIUS home school. Hope you are safe and sound at home. This is Shiuly Saha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take your B.G.S class for the student of class 3. Our today's topic is lesson 7 discussion, and after finishing this chapter, I will provide you some short questions from the chapter. So let's get started our class. Chapter 7, protecting our environment against pollution. Environment, here we know environment, everything around us is called environment. So environment is polluted in many different ways. Different types of environmental pollution. Here are given some examples of different types of environmental pollution. The pictures below show the ways in which people pollute their environment. Here are given 5 types of environmental pollution. One is air pollution, sound pollution, water pollution, rubbish pollution, and earth pollution. This is air pollution. We know air pollution. This is air pollution. It is sound pollution and water pollution, rubbish pollution, and earth pollution. Our pollution is polluted in different ways, in many ways, and different types of sound that makes us irritated and makes us irritated and tired, and it is rubbish pollution, and it is water pollution, and it is example of earth pollution. Now come to the next point, the causes and effects of pollution. Having looked at the different types of pollution, let's look at the causes and effects of pollution. Air pollution. Polluted air enters our lungs, which causes diseases. That means polluted air enters if we inhale polluted air, it can affect our lungs. Okay, it can affect our lungs that make us ill, which causes diseases. Different types of diseases. Smoke and dust lead to bad smells and dirt. That means air is polluted in many ways. The smoke of factory, mills, houses, okay, that make our environment polluted. Water pollution. Next, water pollution. Fishes die in polluted water. Diseases like diarrhea and jaundice occur. Mosquito flies born in dirty water and spread diseases and germs. Sewage flows into canals, ponds, river, and streams pollute water. So, student, water pollution can happen if we throw different types of waste and garbage into canals, ponds, rivers, and streams that pollute our environment, that polluted our water. And if we drink polluted water, we may have different types of diseases like diarrhea and jaundice. Now, come to the next point, earth pollution. Poor harvest and damage to plants, animals, and birds. And overuse of chemicals and pesticides pollute the soil. So, overuse of chemicals and pesticides on agriculture that may happen our environment polluted, earth polluted. It is called earth pollution. If you need a healthy and happy life, we need to keep our environment neat and clean. Sound pollution. Headaches and loss of hearing. Loud noise in roads and places make us tired and irritated. Different types of noise and different types of noise like music and traffic signals that causes sound pollution, and sound pollution causes headaches and loss of hearing. Now, rubbish pollution damages the environment of our surroundings. Careless litter and waste ruins our environment by spreading bad odor and germs. If we throw different types of wastes and garbage here and there, it can spread bad smell and creates germs. It is harmful for our happy and healthy life. So, it damages the environment of our surroundings. Now, preventing pollution and protecting the environment. How do we prevent our pollution, and how do we protect the environment for our existence. Now we know the causes of pollution and the results for our environment. We should take action to stop it. If we want a healthy and happy life and happier life, we should take immediate step to protect our environment. We cannot imagine our existence without the healthy environment. So we should not spill, pop or excrete in public place. We should keep our houses, roads and playgrounds clean and look after them. We can throw our rubbish in proper places, not in streams or drums or the streets. So everybody should be careful about this, about our environment. We should be more careful and don't throw your rubbish and wasteless things in here and there. We should keep our environment neat and clean for our existence. Now, number D, match the phrases on the left with the ones on the right. Number A, a healthy environment makes. You have to match it with the rest of the sentences. Here are given some examples, some parts of the sentences in the left side, and in other side, right side, there are rest of the sentences. You have to match it. Number A, healthy environment makes, that means life beautiful for people and animals. We can match it with it. A healthy environment makes life beautiful for people and animals. Number B, chemicals from agriculture. Chemicals from agriculture are waste by the rain into ponds, river and water bodies. Number C, rubbish and dirty swamps around home or school encourage mosquitoes and flies. Number D, gutters, ponds, rivers and streams are not places to throw rubbish. Now come to the next point. It is our short questions. So we will discuss these short questions here. Give 2 causes of air pollution. Answer: air can be polluted in many ways. 2 causes of air pollution are given below. Number 1, the smoke of industry, mill and factory pollute air. That means the smoke of our houses, industry and factories that can make our environment polluted. Number 2, dust causes air pollution. Dust causes air pollution. Number 2, give 2 causes of water pollution. 2 causes of water pollution are given below. Number 1, to throw waste and garbage into the rivers, ponds and canals. That means if we throw different types of wastes and garbages into our rivers, ponds and garbages, it can pollute our environment, water. Number 2, to spray insecticides on plants which washed away in the rains and fall into water. So we should not throw away insecticides on plants which can pollute our environment. Number 3, what is the result of too much noise? Too much noise, answer: too much noise causes sound pollution, and sound pollution causes headache and loss of hearing. That means for our sound pollution, headache and loss of hearing, it can happen. Number 4, where should we drop rubbish? Answer: our environment is being polluted day by day. We should take action to stop it. We can throw our rubbish in proper places, not in streams or dumps or streets. So student, hope you have understood our today's topic. Our today's homework will be topic short question 1-2 from chapter 7. Our today's homework number 12. So student, you have to submit your homework on next Saturday. Submit your homework on time and keep well at home. Thank you all of you.